Artificial intelligence is currently highly appreciated by a range of online businesses as a result of the increase in the application of such technologies to everyday objects like smart speakers, TVs, and robots. Japan has started to promote a number of intelligent services, including use of intelligent robots for distribution as well as unmanned hotels and supermarkets. As science and technology advance, more and more intelligent robots, such as sweeping robots, enter our lives and free up our hands. Humans still have high standards for humanoid robots though. Humanoid robots are being developed and researched frequently in laboratories, and most of the robots that are displayed in the media and exhibitions are always portrayed as ladies. What are the capabilities of these robots? Are these robots potential partners in the future? Let's find out more. Keep watching for some of the most shocking Japanese robots you're yet to hear about. Also make sure that you've subscribed to our channel as well, so that you can watch more of these videos regularly. Number 5. Replique 2. Replique 2 is an android actoid model. They are gynoids designed by Osaka University and constructed by Kokoro Company Limited in June of 2005. The Replique 2 may learn movements through mimicry and respond to tactile and verbal stimuli. Replique 2 can recognize voices and process speech as well as respond in kind. Replique 2 is a more advanced version of Replique 1 with a more human-like visage. It also has 3 doffs in the cranium, which allows it to make facial expressions and mouth forms. Replique 2 was displayed under the same name as Replique 1 at the World Expo in Naichi, Japan in June 2005. Replique 1 exhibition communicated with people in demonstrations by mimicking a TV interviewer. Replique 1 exhibition was surrounded by omnidirectional cameras and microphones as well as tactile sensors implanted in a carpet, and was able to recognize gestures, voices, and standing positions. How incredible is that? How authentic does she appear to be? Number 4. HRP-4C. The HRP-4C, often known as Meme, is a feminine-looking humanoid robot developed by Japan's National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology. The Meme stands 158 centimeters or 5 feet and 2 inches tall and weighs 95 pounds with a battery pack attached. Based on the 1997 to 1998 Japanese Body Dimension database, she has a realistic head and a face as well as the physique of an average young Japanese female. She has 30 body motors and another 8 for facial expressions, allowing her to move like a human. The robot can also respond to voice commands and recognize ambient sounds by using speech recognition software. The vocal synthesizer Vocaloid allows the robot to sing. The software that controls the robot is being built using the Open Robotics platform. Aren't you amazed too? On March 16, 2009, a public demonstration was held, followed by another in 2010 at Tokyo's Digital Content Exhibition to highlight recent advancements that allow HRP-4C to mimic human facial and head movements as well as execute dance steps. Upgrades to Meme's human-like walking ability were displayed in a video produced by Iced in 2011 and have been described as extremely realistic. Number 3. Saya. Japan's robot teacher calls for roll, smiles and scolds, eliciting laughs from kids with her incredibly lifelike face, but the manufacturer insists it will not replace human teachers. Saya, the robot teacher, can convey 6 fundamental emotions: surprise, fear, contempt, wrath, happiness and sadness. It's remotely controlled by a human viewing via cameras, while its rubber skin is pulled from the back with motors and wires around the eyes and lips. Human-like robots are popular with both young children and the elderly. According to Hiroshi Kobayashi, a Tokyo University of Science professor and science developer, youngsters cry when they are reprimanded. In 2004, it was created as a receptionist robot. Saya was tested earlier this year in a Tokyo classroom with a small group of 5th and 6th graders, but she still can't do much more than yell out names and shout demands like "Be silent!" Japan and other countries hope that robotics can help them address looming labor shortages as their populations age, but scientists are concerned about deploying a machine to care for young people and the elderly. Robots, according to Noel Sharkey, a robotics specialist and professor at the University of Sheffield, can be used as an instructional tool to spark an interest in science, but they cannot replace humans. It would be delusory, he continued, to believe that such machines could replace human teachers. Let us know your thoughts about this in the comments below. And if you're enjoying the video so far, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Number 2. Project Aiko. Lee Trung of Canada invented Aiko, a humanoid robot with an integrated biometric artificial intelligence brain system. Aiko is just shorter than 5 feet tall with a 32.24-inch bust and a 22.44-inch waist. Aiko, which means loving kid, is the ideal partner. In reality, charming Aiko can answer annoyances and questions in both Japanese and English. She has the ability to recognize objects that are placed in front of her. She has a sensor that enables her to express discomfort or annoyance. If you squeeze her cheeks or other parts of her body, she will complain and tell you to stop touching her. Aiko can communicate and engage with humans, and she has over 13,000 phrases at her disposal. She may be configured to detect intruders and quickly go into defensive mode. She will bring you an umbrella if it's raining outside. Aiko is a fantasy, but her creator, Lee Trung, sees a day when Aiko clones can be deployed as security in airports and in public areas, as support for housebound and disabled people, the elderly, and as his office employees. Aside from Aiko's attractive appearance, Lee Trung's most notable achievement is the technology he combined with his innovative brain technology by coding in C# and BASIC, which regularly updates the brain software that regulates speech, reading, math, vision, colors, hearing, automation, and sensors. She is still a work in progress, and the best is yet to come. Furthermore, the software can control robot kits such as the Kondo KHR2 via voice activation, automation, and basic recognition. The brain software is unique in that it is meant to interact with Aiko's environment, process the data, and store it in the internal memory. The synthesized data can be sent into the server database after the internal memory is full. As a result, an evolving database has been created that may be shared and used by future Aiko clones. Lee Trung has used all of his personal funds and credit lines to launch the Aiko project. Aiko has attended press conferences as well as public trade exhibits. The most recent interview with a CNN correspondent revealed Aiko's lighter side. Aiko provided her site's recognition abilities by discriminating between a Coca-Cola product and water, as well as distinguishing food, whereas the public activities thus far have been designed to capture public attention. The creativity behind brain technology and its potential is stunning. Number 1. Hanako. Hanako, a robotic dentistry patient that can behave like a human patient to some extent, was developed by 3 Japanese universities, Waseda, Kokui, and Showa, and the robot company Timsuck. The alleged female robot can communicate with doctors. Timsuck designed Hanako's 157cm tall body, while the medical aspects were developed by the dentistry faculties of the universities engaged in the robot's creation. Her body has 9 joints, including those in her jaw, tongue, and even her eyelids. The major purpose is to provide a mechanism for dentists or dental students to practice real-life procedures in a robot before treating human patients. Dental students at Showa University are required to complete Hanako examinations. This truly makes perfect sense. We'd say Hanako responds to errors by audibly expressing anguish, rolling her eyes, or even faking a vomiting reflex owing to her touch sensors in her mouth. The Showa Hanako 2 goes to a great measure of providing a realistic experience for the coach. The mouth of the robot is designed to be as realistic as possible, right down to how it feels. To achieve that realism, the inventors of this dental bot sought assistance from an unusual source. The Orient Industry, a company known as one of Japan's top manufacturers for lifelike dolls, was approached to assist its study team in creating realistic skin, tongue, and mouth areas. The system also includes a basic voice recognition algorithm. This enables the trained dentist to converse with the robot during an exam or surgery, just like any good patient. Unlike most patients, Hanako can provide feedback to the dentist on his or her performance. She may, however, save and analyze the student's performance, providing them with a comprehensive quantity of computing experience. That's all for this video. What do you think? Can these robots be future partners, or will they serve as pleasure robots? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching it, then please give us a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends who would love to know more about these robots. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel as well for more such videos, and see you in the next one.